mga batan to.
Alam mo, Kuya Will, hindi mo na itatanong. I'm a voice coach. Alam ba, habang kumakanta silang tatlo dyan, nagsipra kami.
Pa-practice kayo?
Yes. Pambata lang yan. Ito yung mga pang, alam mo na,
Pang matanda.
pang professional. No, you're not professional. Come, ladies.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, kailangan nyo mo ng mag-voice lesson. Ikaw yung mababa.
Gilid ka, gilid ka.
Gilid ako.
Yan. Kasi nasisapawan mo sila eh.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Say, Ikaw naman medyo mataas. Okay, ikaw mababa. Okay, ganun na. Yan, okay?
Sabay, sabay, sabay.
Okay. Ulit nga, ulit.
Ang galing ni ate.
Sakit sa mata, ah. Okay, ulit. Ulit mo muna. Yung parang,
Music teacher. Music teacher.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Ganun.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
See?
Thank you. Galing na teacher natin.
Beautiful song. Beautiful blending.
Professional coach.
That's a very nice song.
Yeah, it's a blending. That's called blending.
Oh, very. Are you the teacher?
Kailangan, you should, ang pangit ng tinuro sa inyo ng mga voice coach.
Hello mga kapuso! I am Amira Teng. Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Marami pa kami inihanda para sa inyo. Mag-subscribe lang sa official YouTube channel ng Wawa Wit and don't forget to hit the bell button para lagi kayong updated.